In today's video, we're going to walk you through the business name and business logo assets that you should add when making any brand new Google Ads campaign. And now, what these are, as any other assets are extra pieces of information that will appear alongside your ad's headlines and descriptions that are designed to make your ad look bigger. And also, the more pieces of information you have attached to your ad copy itself, the more space your ad actually takes up on the page, and also increases the likelihood that your ad gets clicked on as well. But when it comes to your business name and business logo, the main reason you want to add these is that instantly when anyone sees these alongside your ad copy, it instantly gives you much more credibility and authority straight away. Because when they see the actual name of the business and the business's logo, it just reinforces the user that it is a real company that they're dealing with from the very beginning. And when you're looking at real ads on Google, the ads that have these assets in place just look a lot better from the very beginning and much more professional overall. That's really why you want to make sure you have these two assets in place. And it's worth mentioning as well that to add these two assets, you first need to have the advertiser verification complete, which Google are going to ask you to complete anyway at some point after making your campaign. So it's worth completing this as soon as possible just so you can get these two assets added. And then once you do have the option to add these assets, for example, with business name, you can simply just go to the blue plus icon and come down here. And it's important to mention as well that when you're doing your advertiser verification, that you obviously want to verify in your actual company name that you're going to be displaying in the ads. Because if you verify using your own personal information, like I've done here, then you'll only be able to serve the business name as an asset using that name and not the company name itself. So you want to make sure it's verified using the actual company name, but you can simply add it to the campaign level and then just press save. And when it comes to the business logo, then what we'll do for this is go to a website, take the company's logo, and show you what the process of actually adding the logo looks like. So, right now, we're on a random landscaping website, and what we're going to do is save this image so that we can upload it to Google Ads. So, what we're going to do is go to save image as and then simply download the image so that way then you can upload it back to Google Ads. But what we want to do then before we upload our logo is actually make sure that it fits Google's requirements, because most of the time you add your business logo to Google, it's going to get disapproved for not being the right size. And to combat that issue, we're actually going to put our logo inside the right frame inside Canva and then re-download that image, and that way then it's going to be uploaded to Google in a way that the logo will actually get approved and be able to serve. So what you can do here is go to Canva, and you can use the free version for this as well, is go to create a design first of all and then just choose custom size. And then what we're going to do is choose 1200 for the width and also 1200 for the height, and then create new design. And what we're going to do then is actually upload our image in here. And once you've selected your logo and it's added to the design, what you want to do is make the image bigger first of all. And it doesn't have to take up the whole space on this page. But what we want to do is center it so that way then you see that the pink lines are in the middle for both going horizontally and vertical. And once it's fully centered, like we have it here, we can simply share and download the image. And this way then we can actually upload it back into Google Ads in the format that they're looking for. So now what we can do now that we've done that is actually add our business logo. So now what we can do now that we've made our business logo the right size is go to the blue plus icon, and all we have to do then is go to upload and upload the image that we've just downloaded and press save. And now the business logo that we've just edited is uploaded in Google Ads as our business logo for the campaign. So that's essentially what the process of adding your business name and business logo to a brand new Google Ads campaign looks like. And as I mentioned, I would recommend doing so as soon as you have your advertiser verification done, as not having it in place isn't going to stop you from getting results, but the more trustworthy you can make your ad look, the more you'll just stand out from your competitors, especially those that don't have these in place. So hopefully the video helped and just gave you some clarity on how to go about adding the business name and business logo to your campaign the right way. But if you do have any questions about adding any assets to your Google Ads campaign, or anything else related to Google Ads as a whole, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you do like this Google Ads related content as well, feel free to subscribe and have a look at the previous videos we've made so far in the series on how to set up a brand new Google Ads campaign from scratch. And we'll also continue posting videos each day on each of the rest of the aspects that go into creating a brand new Google Ads campaign until it's fully ready to go live, and also what the process of managing the campaign will look like as well once it's actually running. So hopefully the video helped, and we'll see you inside the next one.